You have to be able to tolerate a bunch of shit that most people are gonna fall apart during.
The only way to overcome that is through consistent training that happens on a regular basis. Beat your heart against each other over and over again, not really get hurt. So you get really good at it. You need to go through these tough scenarios over and over again because you do get better at it. You learn how to mentally detach and not get emotional. Instantly, your emotions are spiked, your adrenaline spiked. I just gotta relax, I gotta take a step back, I gotta detach from this situation so I can process what's happening and I can make a good decision. No one is making a good decision when they're panicked, when they're freaked out, when they're scared. When they're scared. When they're scared. When they're scared. You can get better at it, but you only get better at it through training. And you only get really comfortable through training a lot. So that's your mindset.